Now you can write the electronic configuration based on the concept of orbital. Now let's start. To understand the electronic configuration based on the concept of orbital, you have to understand some principle. For example of Bow principle. These principle you will study in your higher class, but some introduction I want to share with you, and in very detail you will study in higher class. But to write the electronic configuration based on orbital concept, I have discussed here of Bow principle and Hund's rule. Of Bow principle, what tells? According to this, electrons are filled in increasing order of energy level. Increasing order of energy level. So, how electrons will be filled up? S orbital, then P, then D, and last F orbital. This is the increasing order of energy level, and we have to arrange like this. For the simplicity, we have the concept of N plus L value. What is L? It is not needed that you understand the concept of L and what L refers you will study in the higher class. But you simply learn the value of L. For S orbital, the value of L is 0, P orbital 1, D 2, and F 3. Orbital which have lowest value of N plus L, electrons will firstly enter in that, then after another. And Hund's rule what tells? Electrons never pair up until each orbital of given subshell contains one electron or singly occupied. For example, if you have 3 electrons, then how electrons are arranged? First, single electron will fill in each orbital. Then after, if electron is remaining, then it pair up. For example, if we have the fully filled orbital 2p6, then how will box diagram you will draw? 3 diagram. So first, single electron will enter in each orbital. Single electron. It is not right that if you will have 6 electrons, then 2 electrons here, 2 electrons here. It does not happen like this. First, single electron fill in each orbit, then after it starts pairing up. It is the rule of Hund's. Now you will have to remember the energy level diagram. This is the energy level diagram, and in the WhatsApp group in 9th class, PDF of this very diagram or electronic configuration is given. You can see that and learn. Electrons first enter in 1s orbital, first orbit, then after second orbit. This way electrons filled up in a different orbitals of atom. So this is the summary of electronic configuration. So how you can write energy level diagram? 1s, then 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, like this you can draw the energy level diagram. Now I am going to write the electronic configuration of sodium based on the orbital concept. Now see here how we can write the electronic configuration based on orbital concept. You will write the electronic configuration based on orbit, that is k orbit 2 electron, L orbit 8 electron, and M is 1 electron. It is based on k, L, M, N, that is based on orbit, and here I have not included any orbital. S, P, D, F is not included in that. So first we follow the energy level diagram, and when you see the energy level diagram, you can write here 1s orbital, then 2s, then 2p. Now you fill the number of electron. What is the maximum number of electron in each orbit? You see here. In s orbital, you can fill only 2 electrons. P 6 electron, and D 10 electron, and F 14 electron. Only up to these numbers electrons can be filled. This is a maximum capacity of the orbital to have the electrons. So sodium, this is the first orbit. How many electrons will be here? S orbital, so 1s2. Second orbit, s orbital, 2. Second orbit, and the orbital name is p. So how many electrons you will have? 6 electron. Now it gets filled up. Now we will go to the next energy level, and next energy level is 3s. How many electrons now we have? 1 electron, so 1 electron. Now the outermost orbit is third orbit. So the number of electron present in outermost orbit, that is 1. So valence electron, how many? 1. Core electron, how many? 10 electron. 10 electron core. Okay. So this is the electronic configuration based on the orbital concept, and that is based on the orbit concept that is given in your textbook 9th class, but it is given in 11th class. But we have to understand this also. So in the next video I will discuss how you can write the electronic configuration based on orbital concept in a short manner with the help of inert gases. So the homework you will solve, that is given in your PDF in WhatsApp group. Thank you, and thank you very much.